This panel doesn't look familiar to you, well, here comes the elevators at the William Grand, aka the former Hilton Hotel in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, part of the Gateway Center complex. We've got some Otis 411M, Elevonic 411s, M's. I think installed in 1953, maybe, I don't know. Finally, I actually get to record this elevator, you know, these elevators here. Woo! Oh my god. Wow. That's fast. This hallway still looks pretty much the same, when I remember. Oh, the ballroom level. Let's go down to ballroom level. No indicator on this side, but it's on this side. Whoa! Holy crap, this thing is fast! Damn! Oh, notice there's no floor 2 or 3. It's odd. Just send this up. Send you up. I'm just gonna... Oh, look. This part looks pretty much the same from when it, you know, as far as I can remember. I mean, obviously they renovated the place on the first floor. It's pretty cool now. Theater. VFD displays. I think that was supposed to be a TV screen or something. Okay, let's go back up. Let's take these elevators over here. King's Garden 2. Oh, oh, look at these. Okay. I wish that lantern still worked. Nope. Doesn't. Let's go up to 4. Ew. Kind of felt a little sticky. I want to go over to Rivers Casino. I don't think I'll be allowed because my ID has expired. Whoa! Holy f***. Excuse my language. Wow. Whoa! Okay, that surprised me. That door controller is pathetic. Oh, vending area. Let's see, vending. What do you mean by vending? Oh, ice dispenser. That's what you mean by vending. Okay. Nothing special here. Move along. I don't know when these were installed, but I think they were probably installed. Listen to that door. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with these things? Actually, I think the door control is actually original. Oh, look, got a floor plan on this here. Okay. Look at that, there's actually a floor plan. Is there like an indoor pool in here maybe? I don't even know if they actually have a swimming pool in this building. Here on the ballroom level. Back on the ballroom level. The door. Look at that Westinghouse logo. Okay. Looks like I can't really use this bathroom. Okay, let's take a look at the ballroom area here. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Oh, wow. I think this is the ballroom that was like remodeled or added in later on. Okay, right. My minutes are beginning to run up. I can't not do this. Okay, right. 4:02 minutes left. Wow, look at this. This is inside the William Grand.